my whiskey, 6 hours, 3. I think it's a 3 by 40. Three by 9 by 40, right there. Put these on because I need it. One thing I didn't do, I didn't mark it where when I took it off, so it's going to be a definitely fun challenge here. Don't see nothing. Definitely see something rubbing right here. Can't tell if that's where it was. Oh, there we go. I do see some marks right here. Snapped a little bolt off in there, the little nut. The screw, I'm sorry. Broke. I tried it, but just looks like I'm just going to have to get a new one. See if that works at the range though. Well, as you couldn't guess it, I'm here at the gunsmith. You've seen on the video where I snapped that little screw off in there. So luckily I called my gunsmith and he had the rings here, right there, Saddle Rock Armory here in Round Rock. Good guys. I haven't had no problems with them. It's good independently owned place. That's what I usually go by. I like to shop for people or shop with people that have their own stores and everything. So let's go up there and take up my rifle and get it fixed. Alright, I made it here to Eagle Peak shooting range here. Just picked up my gun from the gunsmith the other day. Had to put new scope rings on it because I broke one of the screws off into the scope ring, so I had to get it replaced. Luckily he had them on stock and everything, so I got it all fixed and everything. So I'm out here. I need to re-zero in the rifle here, get ready. 2 more weeks and it's official deer hunting season, gun season. So I'll be heading back to my regular hunting spot. That's if I get a tag this year for a different location. So let's go ahead and get checked in and go check it out. Well, it looked pretty good. First set of 3 shots I shot were about good 2 inches below the zero. So I just moved my scope up about 2 inches, 3 inches, because I want to be like 1 inch above the target. Let's go shoot another 3 rounds. Yeah, here's my first group right here, my second group, and my third group right here. So looks like it's still pulling it down a little bit, so I need to ease the trigger just a little bit more. Alright, I just moved my target to the 100 now, so it's 100 yards. So pretty much think I got my scope zeroed in pretty good. If I'm still a little bit below the zero target, I'll just probably move it up another 4 clicks. So far I had to move it up about 12 clicks, about a good 3 inches. So try this target now. Alright, moved down to 100 yards right now. I'm going to take a first set of 3 at 100. Yep, I jerked that one. I felt it. That one was my mistake right there. Alright, coming down here to the 100 yards, gonna check it out. First set of actually 4 shots, because I had to take another one because I actually pulled that third shot to the right. So let's go check it out, and I think I might have my scope set. Alright, that's the one I pulled right there. Get 3 shots, and it looks like a good inch MOA. Right here, about 2 inches up, right where I want to be, at 200 yards, where they said to zero this rifle and scope in. So I just went 2 clicks back, so I'm gonna just drop it right about here, because where I'm hunting at, probably 50 to 75 yards is probably the max. So pretty happy now. Well, all done here. Took about 13 shots and pretty much got my scope zeroed in right where I want it. Good inch and a half above the target. So I'm just about ready. 2 more weeks. Hunting season's gonna start. So can't wait to go out there. Hope I get drawn for a tag this year. Everybody, wish everybody good luck this year for hunting, and hope to see your videos on YouTube. Bye.